morning. This is from Service Department. This is Shaina speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Divine Grace and room 314.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you your orange juice is also under in your continental of breakfast? Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Yes. Good day, ma'am. I am Shaina, your room service attendant for today. Is this room of Miss Divine of Grade 4? May I come in? Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Would you like me to plate your food? Would you like me to set up the table for you? No. Would you like me to open the curtain for you? No. Is this the aircon temperature okay? Yes. Or would you like me to turn on the TV for you? No. Alright, ma'am. Allow me to present your food to you. This is the order. American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, and coffee. Yes, those are permanent. Thank you. You're welcome, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help you? I'm going to thank you. This is your bill, ma'am. May I have your signature, please? Yes. Thank you, ma'am. I will come back after that for 5 minutes to pick up the tray. Or you may leave it outside your door when you are done. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to El's Cafe and Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation.
Yes,
May I have your name and for how many person, please?
I am Michaela for one only person.
Would you prefer a smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
This way, please. Is this table okay for you, ma'am? Please have a seat. May I unfold your napkin?
Yes,
How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like an iced tea or pineapple juice?
pineapple juice please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your pineapple drinks. By the way, my name is Shaina and I will be your dining attendant for today. Just don't hesitate to call me whenever you need something. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some water. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some freshly baked bread. Ma'am, I would like to present to your menu for selection. I will be take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
Can I order salami cups?
Message you to our soup.
No thanks.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You ordered salami cups. Did I get your order correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Your order will be served within 15 minutes.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your salami cup. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your salami cup? Yes. May I clear? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Can I have your signature, please?
Abot mo. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, ma'am.